Hi guys, I'm back for another drawing tutorial thing, and today I wanted to step away from abstract art and make nature. So what is nature? Nature is like trees. So we're gonna go draw a tree. So the first step is in drawing a tree is you gotta make sure you got proper ground for your tree, or else your tree's not gonna look right because it's not on the ground. And once it's on the ground, you wanna start by making the trunk. I probably should have drawn the tree first. Anyway, now you gotta draw the leaf. I can't reach that high. Okay. And then once you draw the leaves on, you can stop. But I'm gonna add that because I'm cool. And then you're done.